Afternoon, MarineMax friends and family. This is Thatcher Smalley with Grand Lake MarineMax, and today we are going to be taking a look at a 2022 Sportsman 227 Masters. As you can see, this is a beautiful center console with an awesome mint green exterior here on the hull. This boat is perfectly equipped for any fishing or even leisure needs that you're looking to do out on the water. Making our way back here towards this outboard. This is a Yamaha 250 SHO. It's going to be plenty of propulsion for this 22-foot boat. This is a sub 50-mile-an-hour boat. It's going to be plenty of speed out there on the water. As you can see on the right side, you're going to have a power pole, which is great for shallow situations if you're looking to anchor real quick, make a few casts out there on the water. You can see you have an external swim platform here, which is really nice with a standard drop down ladder. Makes it easy to get in and out of the boat. As you can see here on your deck, you have a nice grit on that liner that's going to give you a great non-slip surface there. Plenty of storage, as well as live wells. As you can see back here on this cam latch, you got either a cooler or a live well here, whichever you prefer to use. Got a nice aft seating area back here, seating for 3. Got plenty of rod holders on your starboard side, as well as your port side. And you got plenty on the back of your captain's chair, and even on your starboard side here at the helm. So you got a deluxe captain's chair with thigh bolsters. Got a footrest here, which is going to make this a great, comfortable seating area while you're driving the boat. Stainless steel steering wheel. Got your throttle as well as Fusion audio and Garmin display. Really cleans up this dash, gives this boat a great look. As you can see above, you got your standard T-top, which is going to give you some great coverage here in the cockpit. And making our way up to the bow, as you can see with all these cam latches, you're going to have a ton of great storage up here. You got a nice seat in front of the helm here, and if you lift up underneath that, got a beautiful cooler area underneath there. Making our way up to the bow, got a nice trolling motor, which is going to be great, as I said, in fishing situations, with a nice seat up here as well where you can control that trolling motor. Just a great area up here. If you like this boat, the Sportsman 227 Master, or any other boat in our online inventory, feel free to contact your local MarineMax and set up an appointment to come see one of these boats today. Thank you.